California emerges from a pandemic that has upended our lives in so many ways. We need leaders in our state government who will put people first and work together for the greater good. My name is Teresa Keng, and I'm running for State Assembly to represent the people in our community who feel unheard and ignored. I'm a first-generation immigrant from Taiwan and Hong Kong, a sexual assault survivor, and a small business owner. My husband, Robert, is an engineer and a U.S. Marine veteran, and we have been blessed to raise two amazing children with disability. I'm the only woman and the only mother running to represent you. My lived experience and the practical and fresh solutions I bring are what's needed in Sacramento. I currently serve as a Fremont City Council member, where I voted to improve housing affordability and raise the minimum wage. I ensure that we have the resources to solve serious crime and to help people who need mental health support. I believe that government works best when lawmakers build bridges, not walls. When they truly listen to the concerns of the people they represent and focus on delivering practical solutions that actually improve people's lives. My campaign is focused on economic revitalization by providing rental relief to small businesses, helping our students do robust investments in education, invest in affordable housing, and help reduce homelessness. Focus on climate change by accelerating our transition to 100% clean power. Improve community safety by giving law enforcement the resources to prevent and solve violent crimes. I'm running to be a leader who listens, an assembly member who is thoughtful, engaged, and attuned to the needs of the community. My name is Teresa Keng, and I'd be honored to earn your vote.